Hi, my name is Gary Gardner. I'm with Tucson Electric Power. We have implemented TapRooT here a few years back, and in a little background, I'll tell you the same thing I told my group over here. In 2013, we won the best maintenance program in the world. I competed against companies from China and the UK at the Emerson conference. And so after we won that award, then it was, we discussed what we wanted to do next to continue to improve our program. And we found TapRooT and started implementing that using the Equifactor and doing diagnostics of equipment and figuring out what was causing failures and what we were missing if we had failures. And so that worked really well for us. And somebody made the comment that we kind of did it backwards, because usually they said that TapRooT usually starts on the safety side and works into, okay, well now let's put Equifactor in. We did that backwards. So we were using the Equifactor, diagnosing equipment, and then we now have taken on safety as well, which pulled me out of doing maintenance into my new role of doing this full time. We really like to put together, assemble some small teams and assign people to do the TapRooT investigations and make sure that we have another couple eyes take a look and make sure that the way they worked everything down was correct and that we've reached the rootiest of the root cause. No, I'm just kidding. There is no rootiest of the root cause, that's Mark. And so we have a second set of eyes look over those, and I work at a union facility, and so we've really worked hard to get our union on board with this. Breakfast is the answer, so we buy them breakfast, and I do a presentation about what TapRooT is and explain that, you know, we're not here with the hatchet waiting to you know, start carving people. So it's really helped our facility a lot, and we've really broke down some walls and made some really big changes. So that's it.